Thanks for coming to watch this video out. Today we're gonna learn what made Albert Einstein one of the intelligent person in the history of mankind. Einstein is one of the remarkable names in history of mankind. His name will never be forgotten for his achievements. Though he was a genius, he had some little strange habits like sleeping 10 hours per day was just one of the strange habits that Einstein had. Albert Einstein was a genius since he was a kid and he had great interest in science from his childhood. He made many achievements when he was just a kid. To know how he became that genius, we have to dig a bit. We have to discover some incidents that are very interesting and might give us some knowledge about his IQ. On April 17, 1955, Einstein experienced internal bleeding. He was immediately admitted into the hospital. Doctors advised him for a sudden surgery. But he said, "I want to go when I want to go, and it's tasteless to prolong life artificially," said Einstein, and instructed that none of his body parts should be studied after his death. But after his death, during the autopsy, pathologist of Princeton Hospital, Thomas Harvey, stole Einstein's brain without the permission of his family and declining the words of Einstein. He cuts Einstein's brain into 40 different pieces and kept his brain in his basement for 40 more years to study it and experiment it. After 40 years, he handed Einstein's brain to the local scientists. Now, this is the main part, because after he handed that brain to the scientists studied Einstein's brain and found something very different apart from the normal human brain that Einstein had. So now, let's learn what made Einstein's brain so special than the other human beings that made him a brilliant scientist. Before learning that, just take a second, go down and click that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to receive notification. By subscribing, you can get newly uploaded videos from our channel. Coming to the topic, after scientists studied Einstein's brain, they revealed that Einstein's brain was very special and was a gift for Einstein because his front lobe of his brain was vacant and also a bordering part of his brain was absent. And his brains had 20 extra neurons as of the normal humans. They believed that these extra neurons made him think very creatively and very fastly, which made him discover many things. These were some secrets that were revealed by the scientists, and Einstein's brain had 20 extra neurons, which was very unusual and very rare and was a gift to Einstein, which made him think very fastly and which may have been the reason for his IQ. If the scientists could have got his brain earlier, then they could have discovered more interesting facts and discoveries in his brain. But apart from Einstein's brain, there were some other interesting habits that may have been the reason for his IQ. We will know that in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and have a good day.